Today, I'm needlefelting Ember from the Last Campfire. Some assembly required. Hello everybody! So, I don't know if you guys play Apple Arcade. We have been playing it for a while now. We love it. It's super fun. There's so many fun games. And even I can play some of them, and I am not a great gamer at all. I die a lot in games, but that's okay. That's fun. So this new game, it's not super new anymore, but it is still newish, called The Last Campfire, is so cute. It's sort of a puzzle game, adventure game, and the main character is adorable. We are a little bit stuck now on one of the puzzles that I can't figure out. So we have to figure out how to do that one because I really want to see what else happens in the game. But today I'm going to needlefelt Ember, who is the adorable little main character who goes around freeing people from being forgotten, and it's a long story. But that is not what this video is about. This video is about adorableness. So let's start adorabling. The very first thing I have to do is build the right shape for Ember's body. They're sort of a soft rectangle cylinder. Next, I'm adding a light blue as a base color for Ember's jacket, I guess? So at the top of the, I don't know, let's call it a hood, Ember's jacket has two white points. They look a tiny bit too much like horns here, but hopefully they won't once I've added some more blue to kind of smooth it all out. Ember's looking a little short, so ta-da! Instant height. I'm trying to blend in a little teal now to make the color just a little bit more accurate to the actual game. Now, I'm blending in some darker blue in the places where Ember's jacket is darker. This will actually blend really well. I like the way it's making a pretty good gradient. Do you like any Apple Arcade games? Let us know in the comments. We like so many of them. Our latest favorite is Marble Knights. It's cute and it's battle-y, so. Ember's face kind of just looks like a black space in their hood, and the whole has sort of a light blue border. Now, Ember needs bright little eyes and some more details for their jacket. Woohoo! Time for arms and legs. I will start with arms. Hey, here's some legs. Now I have all of Ember's little bits, so I can put them together. Finally, Ember has a little satchel to store all their cool loot during the game. So I'll make the bag first. Now I can attach the bag and add a little sturdy strap. Ta-da! Ember! I also made a little globby friend. I don't know what they actually are, but they hang out next to the forlorn in the game, and they're pretty cute. Look how cute! Look at how cute Ember is. I love them! But the real test comes with my critic. Let's see what Lily thinks. Oh, Lily!
Yes, Mother.
I finished Ember. Do you want to come see? Yeah? Are you ready?
Yeah.
I don't even think you're ready.
I do.
It's so cute.
Is it? It's so cute.
So cute. I love it forever and ever. Adorable! Now, the next thing we have to do is figure out how to get past that puzzle. We're probably missing something stupid, so we have to figure it out. We have to figure it out before we feel totally silly. I hope that you liked the making of Ember, and I hope that you're inspired to go try out some Apple Arcade games because they're really fun. The expert thinks so. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up.
I can almost give a thumbs up. Yeah.
Sort of. If you like this kind of video, you should probably subscribe. You can do that right underneath the video. And you can click the notification button and see every time a new video comes out. They come out on Tuesdays.
And Saturdays.
And that's not what Ember sounds like. Until the next video, we will be hanging around, gazing into these adorable white eyes. So be awesome, and we will see you then. Bye!
Bye.